Start with weekly charges. I want to give a quick update. After the price tag, the first one, the first target, we mentioned about the deeper correction, and right now we're looking at this correction. Okay. Anyway, we were looking for buy, but we have to wait for the trade setup based on lower time frame. This is what we explained in my last analysis. And if we move to daily chart, after we get this move, then we mention how deep it can go with the breakout of the first support. The price even broke the second, but the price couldn't tag the third one. Okay. Now, what's the next? How deep? This is the how deep it can go. We mentioned since the price was here. Okay. That's why we come up with these lines. Anyway, uh, again, how deep it can go with the breakout of this level, we can expect the price drop to this level. All right. It doesn't mean we cannot, the price cannot go lower than this one. Okay. The reasons I put this lines, this technically, we're looking at this correction. And if the price could reverse from here, without the breakout of this line, this support, which is this one, this is the best. Because with the breakout of this low, then we can expect the continuation. And with the, even we can expect the price drop to this. Okay, that's why we come up with these lines. Anyway, we don't need to go into the details. The only thing is, technically, if the price give us one more drop at least, following by divergence based on lower time frame, then we can consider this correction internally as a tree wave. At least we can get this one. Then any reversal from there will be the best. Okay, based on daily chart, this is what I'm looking for. That's why we come up with this line. All right, but it doesn't mean we have to wait for that option every time I mention this is the best. Okay, that's mean if the price reverse from here without the price tag or break this low, then if you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. Then we are considering we are trading within this correction. That's mean if you get any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it with the breakout of the stop. If there is a continuation, we keep the trade. If not, then we take out the trade because of the next possibility. All right. That's why, no, what's the next? What's the best? Whether we should wait for the price to retest this low before we take the trade, or if we get any opportunity for buy within this zone, we will take it. We go with this option. We don't need to wait for the price to tag or break the previous low, which is this one. This is the best. Okay. Anyway, based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup. If we move to lower time frame, if we move to forward chart, okay. Based on forward chart, for sure, if we see the next drop, if the price could tag this low following by divergence, any reversal from there will be the best based on forward chart. Okay. And if we zoom out, okay, all right, that's mean if you want to look for buy, first things, if the price could tag this low following by divergence, then any reversal from there we will take the trade. But if there is no reversal and if we see the continuation, then we look for this one. Because in the bigger picture also we can expect to have a divergence. That's why based on daily chart, I mentioned this is the first and the best option I'm looking for. But we don't need to wait for that one. Then how to look for trade based on forward or 1 hour chart. And if we move to one forward chart, even based on forward chart, I don't see any trade setup. But as long as the price tag this low, following by divergence, any opportunity for buy, any reversal, we'll take it. Simply, we will not take the trade. We have to wait for the reversal. Because if there is no reversal, there is a continuation, then we wait for the price to tag this low. In the bigger picture, we want to see whether we have a divergence or not. Okay, that's mean at this point, based on forward chart, even I don't see any trade setup. And if I move to lower time frame, which is 1 hour chart, all right, technically, we can look at this one. We can look for buy by having entry above here as a short term. Okay, as a short term, by considering this one, following by this correction. But simply, we will not take the trade. What I want to say is that at this point, we cannot buy without, I mean, simply we cannot take the trade because we see the continuation. That's why we can put our entry above here. This is the only option. What we want to price sharply, tag, break, and continue. But if we move to higher time frame, if we move to daily chart or even forward chart, if we get this drop, we conform with this correction, then any opportunity, any reversal from there, I will take the trade. Okay. Anyway, at this point, I don't see any trade setup. If anyone wants to look for buy based on 1 hour chart, maybe they can come look at this one, but this is the short-term trade. As long as we get into the profit, we have to start to manage our trade. We move our stop loss to break even. Anyway, We just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.